Hi everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I would like to have a little chit chat if the new Takashi Murakami is actually worth it. If you were one of the lucky ones that got pieces, I'm actually just so happy for you. I'm still waiting for my notification in the email. I'm hoping to get something, like I keep saying in every video, but as of today I haven't. So I just wanted to go over and with you guys and see if it's is it really worth it 20 years later. Let's get started. So the first piece I want to bring up here is the Nano, and in Canada it is $2,960. Like, oh, I don't know about you, but to me that is crazy. And I asked my granddaughter to borrow back. Well, actually, she left it here while she was playing. So here is the OG Nano. Now, this one, it was quite used. You could see the bleeding on the side. And then I just added this gold chain. But as you can see, this is a tiny little purse. So with taxes here in Canada, with the GST and the PST, you're looking over close to over $3,000 for this little bag. Okay, the next piece is the Bandolier 45, and in Canada it is $6,550, and it's this bag. Again, I have the OG, and this one I did get pre-loved, and I got it in, I would say good condition. I mean, the handles, the Vachetta, it came with everything, and the lady who had it, she didn't use the clochette or the keep ball handle holder here, so I've just added to it, hoping that it will eventually go down to a deeper honey patina. But that is quite a substantial price to go up in. So here with taxes it would be over $7,000 for that piece. The next piece is the Speedy Soft 30, and it has the hardware, but it comes in black with the silver hardware, and it is soft, and that price is $5,600 Canadian. I have two Speedies, so this would be, I guess, this is the Noir Speedy, and again, I got it pre-loved, and I would say in good condition. The the patina is actually a nice honey color. The gold hardware is in really good shape. See the bottom. I just love the gold hardware on these OGs. So the new soft Speedy, I mean, I do like silver. I mix metals like all the time, but I don't know, I haven't seen it in person. Of course I've seen it online, but I just feel, for me, I would prefer this one. If I was able to get that Speedy Soft 30, I don't think that I would get it. Definitely not at that price. Back in the day, the first release, these were very expensive. I believe in Canada it was $2,500, and when the collection ended in 2014, they had already gone up to $3,500. Don't quote me. I kind of remember what I was, saving for back then, and obviously I didn't get anything during that time, just like this time. But I am quite happy with the Noir and the Blanc Speedy that I have. The next piece that I have that is very similar to the new collection is the Sarah wallet, and in Canada it's $1,360. I don't have the exact, but I'll show you two of the OG similar. You know, I just love saying that word, right? OG. So this is one of the wallets that I have here with the hot pink interior and with the noir, which is a very, I mean, I just, oh my gosh, I love this piece with the gold buckle hardwood at the front. It's actually not that too heavy. And then the next wallet I have is this one, and it's a wallet on one side, and it's a coin purse on the other. But this one is the Blanc with the beige interior. So the next piece is the Zippy wallet, and it's $1,580. I mean, it is gorgeous. And then with the fuchsia pink, and then when you open it up, it has the Murakami white color in the interior. Now this is a wallet I have, and I've added this chunky chain, but there's a clip here. You can add any type of chain. So this I would think would be very similar to that wallet. And I've told you this, that I've taken this already traveling. It's really nice because it opens up, and you have room for your passport, all your cards. It's got the zip here for coins. It's a beautiful leather wallet on the inside. So I really like how this one, you can add a chain to it, and it becomes a wristlet. And like I was saying, it holds everything that you would need for daily use, or if you're like me, for travel. And again, you've got the Blanc the Blanc colorway with the pink interior. The new Murakami key pouch, and the price is $575 Canadian. In Canada, they only showed the noir on the website, no Blanc. So that's like actually not, I think, not a bad price for a key pouch. Like, it's, that's not too bad. Now here is my key pouch, and you can see it actually has room here for the coins, and I always keep like a little bit of dryer sheets in it. Actually smells a lot better, keep it fresh smelling. And it has the pink interior, and then it has the card slots at the sides. This one, as you can see, is, it's okay. I would say it's good condition. I've got a lot of use at it, and it came like with the box and everything pre-loved. So do I have a desire to get the new one? No, I don't. So there you have it for the collection that is somewhat similar to mine. And now I will talk about pieces that are not on the Canadian LV website on offer. There are other things, obviously, but you guys know all what they are. But I just wanted to show the stuff that is not, that I was actually hoping to get, like this little heart coin purse here, and it opens up, and it's just the beige interior, but it has a little keychain that you can attach to your bags for a charm, and I just love it. And if this came in a noir heart, I would so get it. But another little what are they called, trinkets, is this beautiful Astro Astro Pill. Yeah, Astro Pill. And it's just want to show you guys the very cute details with the Louis Vuitton on it. And it's the keychain, and then no more, and then it lights up. Am I gonna blind you guys? I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there we go. Duh. And I've actually used this quite a bit in my purse, guys. I think it's the cutest thing, and I love it. And they did not have this in the new collection on the Canadian website, because and I noticed the European website had different items. So, you know, I guess it's just every country, they had, you know, different drops, and maybe they sold out by the time they got to Canada. I don't know if we were last on the list. Let me know if you know. And the Chrissy bag, I did not see anything quite like this, with all this stud detail, which, oh my gosh, guys, this is one of my favorite pieces that I got from the OG collection. It's gorgeous, and I really didn't see anything for bags, and that's why I have not included it in this video. I mean, they're not available anyways in Canada, but there is nothing really that caught my eye. So that is my OG collection. So do I think that the new Murakami drop is worth it? I do. For some things. For other things, like I just explained the prices, that's a hard no. But other pieces, definitely yes. And if they have a second release, and I would be able to get the pieces that I said in my last video, I definitely would. And also the Alma BB with the black epi with the panda. It's in the 2,000 range in Canada, and that would be a piece that, oh, if I got that, I would be like so happy. So yes, I do think some pieces are worth it and some pieces aren't. But on that note, I still love this OG collection. So let me know in the comments below, guys, if you think that it's worth it, or you think it's childish, or if you're just excited like me and you do love it, but you also love the OG like I do. Let me know. Thanks, guys, so much for joining me on this, I guess, long chit chat video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and if you would consider subscribing, that would be awesome. Have a great night, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.